3 ಆಯಿತು is equal to k. So what is the, now you can ಎರಡೂ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಕೂಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ಅವಾಗ ಆನ್ಸರು 373 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಕೆಲ್ವಿನ್. ಕೆ ಬಂತು. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತಪ್ಪ? 373 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಕೆಲ್ವಿನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಭಾಳ ಡೆಡ್ ಈಸಿ ಲೆಕ್ಕ. ಇದನ್ನು ಒಂದು ಲೆಕ್ಕವನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ, ನೋಡೋಣ ಈಗ ಒನ್ ಬೈ ಒನ್. So next K. So degree Kelvin, 373 degree Kelvin is equal to dash degree centigrade. Next 273 degree Kelvin is equal to dash degree Fahrenheit. Okay. So next 373 degree Kelvin is equal to dash degree Reaumur. So one by you can, now you can compare with the Kelvin scales too. What is our scale? This is centigrade scale. So Kelvin and centigrade. Now you take as K minus 273 divided by 100 is equal to C by 100. C by 100. So now you can compare only Kelvin and centigrade scale. This 100 will be cancelled directly. So now, what is the value he has given? 373. What is the value of K? 373 minus 273 is equal to C. So now 273 minus 373 is 100 degrees centigrade is equal to C. That means the value was 100 degrees centigrade. Okay, very simple. See here. So if you are not understand, I will write another one more steps. Okay. So what is the value of the K here? 373 minus 273 divided by 100 is equal to C by 100. Okay. So 373 minus 273 means 100 divided by 100 is equal to C by 100. So 100 1 ja, 1 is equal to C by 100. Again cross multiplication, C is equal to 100 degrees centigrade. Now we are getting 100 degrees centigrade. Okay. So next problem. So 373. Now you can compare with the Kelvin scale and the Fahrenheit scale. What is the Kelvin scale? That is K minus 273 degree divided by 100 is equal to F minus 32 divided by 180. Very simple. Very simple. What is the value he has given? 273 degree Kelvin he has given. How much he has given? 273 degree. So 273 minus 273 divided by 100 is equal to F minus 32 divided by 180. The answer should be 32 degree Fahrenheit in this. So now 0 divided by 100 is equal to F minus 32 divided by 180. 0 divided by anything is 0 is equal to F minus 32 divided by 180. Make the cross multiplication. So 180 into 0 is equal to F minus 32. So 0 is equal to F minus 32. F is equal to minus 32. ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Plus 32. Your answer should be, where is this? See, 32 degree Fahrenheit. Very simple. So what is the answer for that? Directly you can tell 80 degree Reaumur. Now we can solve this one. So now Kelvin and the Reaumur scale. What is the Kelvin scale? Kelvin scale is towards that K minus 273 divided by 100 is equal to R by 80. What is the value of K? 373 degree. 373 minus 273 divided by 100 is equal to R by 80. So that is 373 minus 273. Now we are getting the 100 divided by 100, that is equal to R by 80. 100 will be cancelled. 1 is equal to r by 80. So r is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 80 into 1 80. So you can directly tell 80 degree Reaumur. Okay. So next we will go for the next problem, the last one, Reaumur scale. Just I will solve only 2-3 problems in this. So first one. So 25 degree Reaumur is equal to dash degree centigrade. 0 degree Reaumur is equal to dash degree Fahrenheit. So dash degree Fahrenheit. So next 80 degree Reaumur is equal to dash degree Kelvin. So now compare first one. So R and C. Where is the R and C? This is very simple. Very simple. C by 100 is equal to R by 80. What is the value of he has given? R he has given. That is 25. C by 100. What is the value of R? R he has given 25 divided by 80. Make the cross multiplication. C is equal to 100 into 25 divided by 80. 100 into 25. So C by 100 is equal to R by 80. So now here R he has given, that is how much he has given? 25. So make it 0, 0, 0 and 0. So now we are getting, so 250 divided by 8. So 8 4 ja, 8 1 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 8 3 ja 24, 8 3 ja 24, 8 3 ja 24 is or something. C by 100, where is this? C by 100 is equal to R by 80. What he has given 25 degree Reaumur. So better you can take this simple 20 degree Reaumur. 20. It is easy for you. So 20 degree Reaumur. So although 25, whatever it may be, you can use the commercial calculator. You can solve what answer you are getting that one. So that is 20. So 20. So 2 1 ja, 2 4 ja. So you are getting. See here, and one time C by 100 is equal to 21 ja, 24 ja, 1 by 4, 1 by 4. So make the C is equal to, now you are getting 100 divided by 4, C is equal to, so 4 1 ja, 4 2 ja 8, 4 5 ja, 4 5 ja 20, C is equal to 25 degree centigrade. Now you are getting 25 degree centigrade. This one 25 degree centigrade. So okay, next last two problems is there. Solve this one. Dead easy. So Reaumur scale and Fahrenheit scale. What is the Reaumur scale? R by 80 is equal to F minus 32 divided by 180. What is the value of R? It is 0. 0 by 80 is equal to F minus 32 divided by 180. So now we are getting 0. This one 0 divided by anything is 0. That is equal to F minus 32 divided by 180. Again cross multiplication. 0 into 180 is equal to F minus 32. Okay. So here 0 multiplied anything is 0. That is equal to F minus 32. So F ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ minus 32 ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. F is equal to minus ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು plus 32 degree Fahrenheit. What is the answer? 32 degree Fahrenheit. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು 373 degree Kelvin. ಆದರೂ ನೋಡಿ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟೈಪ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ we will discuss about coefficient of linear expansion. So now you compare R and K. What is the value of R? R by 80 is equal to K minus 273 divided by 100. Okay. What is the value of R? R is 80. So 80 divided by 80 is equal to K minus 273 divided by 100. 80 will be cancelled. Now we are getting the answer 1. That is equal to K minus 273 divided by 100. Make the cross multiplication. Cross multiplication. 100 into 1. 100 into 1 is equal to k minus 273. Now you can shift minus 273 from right hand side to left hand side. So 100 minus 273 has become plus 273, that is equal to k. Now you are getting 373 degree Kelvin, that k is equal to. So where is it? Here. 373 degree Kelvin. You can take 373 degree Kelvin. Okay. I think you are well understand. Very simple formula. That is C by 100 is equal to F minus 32 divided by 180 is equal to R by 80 is equal to K minus 273 divided by 100. Okay. Thank you.